Ma'am Miriam, what can I ask of you? I am facing a woman who would become the President of the Republic of the Philippines. It is even an insult to the intellect of everybody to be asking a learned and experienced human being in this planet.
So may tanong po ba kayo ngayon?
Ang tanong ko, ma'am, how are you today?
I'm almost back to normal good health because I'm on a secret pill that is not yet available in the market, but is being sold at very atrociously expensive prices. And it's a miracle worker in the sense that I'm almost normal now.
Oh, come on. You will live for 1,000 years. That is no doubt about it. I rest my case. Who's the moderator here? Yeah?
Maski ano, pwede mo manufacture sa Pilipinas. Minsan, binigyan pa nga ako ng death certificate ng kusado. Katapos, minahuli ko, huling-huli, buhay na buhay. Ganon ang ating korte dito. Huwag niyo kong padara ng kalukuhan ninyo dahil alam na alam ko yun. Oh, nag-practice kayo? 1 taon? 2 taon? Ako, RTC judge. That is the problem in this country. We're all for honest government, and yet the world condemns us as one of the most corrupt countries in the world. Ba't bawat isa pa sa inyo? Walang sala? Tungkol sa salin? Yun ko ng isa pang buhay. Panginoon, bigyan mo ako ng isa pang buhay at imbestigahin ko lahat. Isa-isa. Dito sa Senado at sa House of Representatives. Tignan natin. Pati sarili ko, imbestigahin ko. Nagtrabaho ako abroad. Nagka-cancer ang tatay ko. Bumalik ako. Sabi ng tatay ko, mag-resign ka nga dyan sa trabaho mong yan. Wala kang silbi sa bayan mo. Magsilbi ka sa sarili mong kababayan.